Hello friends, welcome to Woodworking Zone. Today is the day of the 16th Evergreen Woodworking Topics Series. In today's video, we're exploring some amazing specialty woodworking tools that can make your woodworking projects not only easier but also more precise and creative. Let's dive in.
Segment 1, the Japanese Pull Saw. First, the Japanese Pull Saw. It cuts on the pull stroke for more control and finer cuts, perfect for detailed work like dovetails and crosscuts. Segment 2, the Router Plane. Next, the Router Plane. It's great for creating flat, level surfaces within a piece of wood, ensuring perfect joiner. Segment 3, the Spokeshave. Then, the Spokeshave. Ideal for shaping and smoothing curved surfaces, it's a must for working on chair legs or cabriole legs.
Segment 4, the Cabinet Scraper. Next, the Cabinet Scraper. This tool is essential for achieving smooth surfaces and is especially useful for difficult grain patterns. Segment 5, the Chisel Set. Finally, a good set of chisels. They're crucial for detailed joinery and carving. Keep them sharp for clean, accurate cuts. That's it for today. These specialty tools can transform your woodworking experience.
In this video we told you exploring specialty woodworking tools and their uses. We hope you liked this video. And tomorrow is last day of Evergreen Woodworking Topics Series. Thanks till then. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.